excited to try this out. It is a Blendiful. You can do your entire makeup with this and it'll blend everything perfectly, and it says no harsh lines. It comes with 2 of them. Ooh, super, super soft. And we're supposed to be able to do all the makeup. Here we go. I'm gonna start with the small one. It's more firm, but I really like this angle for getting in my Becca highlighter for my under eye. So much product we have. It's really soft on my skin. Let's see how it did soaking up the product. Look, there's like nothing left on it. It's pretty awesome. I was wondering how it was going to do with it being, you know, so furry. It's awesome. Feels pretty good. Now going in with the Real Deal concealer. Let's see how it blends this. I think it did a pretty dang good job. So far, I really like that. Now we're gonna start the contour. My KKW contour. Let's see. I'm gonna go in with the bigger one. Just fold it and work with the corner. Whoa. Dang. Nice. That is good. We're gonna get this really small to blend my nose. Wow, very impressed. Normal amount of product, I think the same as a beauty blender. Scrubs that line out so quickly without picking up the product, which I really like. It's really, really blending it in. Okay, bending super, super tiny. Look at it, super flexible. Look at this. Already feeling so blended. I don't see any lines anywhere, and that blended out really quickly. I'm just gonna flip it, use the other side. I'm going in with my Bare Minerals powder in Satin 05. This is my go-to that I set everything. Ooh, that really picked up the product. That does not normally happen. Tap some of that off. Okay. Wow, that's pretty on there. And you saw how much product was on there before. Evenly on my face. Go Tati, go Tati. Okay, so far I'm loving this, right? I think we can all be in agreement of that. Dang, I literally swirl it twice and look how much product it picks up. That's awesome. So guys, I have really dry skin, so I really don't put any product in the center of my forehead because I find it settles in my fine lines and I don't want to draw attention. So I just have my primer on and it's reflective in the center of my forehead. Yes. Loving this so far. Okay, now moving on to my contour powder. So she said she made this so big so that you can do your entire face. And also super flexible just in case you need those sharp lines. Like I was kind of worried like, oh my gosh, I've already used this, but you have tons of little corners to do what you need. And that folds pretty nice. I'm gonna go in with this ashy color in Contour 2 by KKW. I do have to say the queen has contour down. 2 swipes, literally, it picks up so much product in a great way. Loving that. Kind of scared to wipe it across my face. We'll see. I'm gonna go in real light. Bam! It's stamping right in. Holy smokes. Okay. I don't want to get too much product, so you can still see I have quite a bit. I'm gonna be able to use that on this side. Move that in. I'm just depositing it right now. I was able to use 2 swipes, and dang, it deposited for my whole face. Still using the same spot. Okay, now I'm gonna go in and blend. I want a fresh spot, so send that and let's blend. Let's blend. We're gonna do some blush. Still have plenty of real estate to put on a little bit of bronzer. Okay, so I noticed when I dab it, not much goes on there, a little bit. But if I swipe it, those fibers really pick up the pigment. So good to know. Dabbing, barely any product's gonna go on. One good swipe, dang. I'm gonna go in with my KKW under Eye Brightener. I'm gonna just do 1 dab. Okay, maybe 2. So normally, I've actually been skipping this step lately because it's been leaving me a bit, you know, fine lines. So let's see if this can blend it out really well. Not giving me any fine lines, it's blending it really nicely. Hey, hey, hey. Now we're gonna go in with my Becca highlighter in the Champagne Pop. It's my favorite. Look at how much clean real estate I still have on this. I was even able to squeeze in my inner corner. I think the smaller one would fit better, but I was still able to get it in there. Very subtle, clean, smooth complexion, which I think is the go-to. And I don't think it left me dusty. It looks like I really beat that into my face. I like it. I call this a win. Definitely able to do my full face, my contour with it. Picked up quite a bit of product, so I wasn't re-dipping a ton. I'm not dusty anywhere. Really look like I beat it into my face. Ooh, this is a win for me. Definitely worth the investment. Oh, look, they hold on to each other. A total win. I can do my full face with it. All right, we're done. And overall, I'm insanely impressed with these. Look at the back, not a ton of product left over at all. I think it really blended my makeup beautifully. I don't have lines. I don't look cakey or powdery like a brush can sometimes leave my very dry skin. They're easy to hold on to do the makeup. And I love how bendable they are. So overall, absolutely, I could definitely see myself replacing my beauty blender and using these instead. I think it picked up a lot more product. I don't feel like it sucked it all up like a sponge sometimes does. And I think it did a really great job. And especially while I'm traveling and I don't want to pack all my brushes, this is going to be perfect. So absolutely approve. Should definitely try it. Congratulations, Tati Beauty. I love this. It's perfect. All right, guys, thank you so much. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure that you subscribe to the Bombshell Society. Come hang out with me on Instagram at the Bombshell Society. Watch my stories. I make all kinds of fun stuff and give you tips every single day. Let me know in the comments, what would you think if I did half of my face in the Tati Blendiful and half of my face with the traditional beauty blender. Let me know if that's something that you'd want to see if we can tell the difference. All right, guys, thank you so much, and